Dear students, now we will discuss about the total internal reflection and critical angle. First thing, total internal reflection possible only when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium. Light travel from denser medium to rarer medium. Please remember, when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, then TIR possible. Point number one clear? We know that when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, suppose this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium. Suppose light travel in this way and this is the normal. We know that when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium, its refracted ray away from the normal. Yes or no? Its refracted ray away from the normal. So point number one about critical angle. The critical angle is that incident angle in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction is 90 degree. For which the angle of refraction is 90 degree. Now see, suppose this is the line, this is the denser medium, and this is the rarer medium. Please remember. Suppose light travel from denser to rarer. This is the angle of incident ray. Now you draw a normal. Clear? This is the normal. We know that when light travel from denser to rarer, its refracted ray bend away from the normal. Then refracted ray move as like that. If we increase the angle of incidence, suppose we increase the angle of incidence, this is the angle of incidence, then the refracted ray move in this way. Clear? That means here the angle of refraction is 90 degree. Point number one clear? Here the angle of refraction is 90 degree. That means already written the definition. The particular angle of incidence in denser medium for which the angle of refraction is 90 degree in the rarer medium. That is called critical angle. Then sir, what is TIR? If we increase the angle of incidence above the critical angle, that means this angle is called as critical angle because here the angle of refraction is 90 degree. If we increase, that means this rate. That means this angle is above the critical angle, greater than critical angle. That means I, angle of incidence, must be greater than critical angle. Must be greater than critical angle. Then TIR form. It obey all the form of laws of reflection. Clear my point? I have already written the relation mu equal to 1 by sin c. That means refractive index equal to 1 by critical angle. And another point is, what are the application of total internal reflection? One is optical fiber, another is endoscope, periscope, binocular, prism. These are the examples of total internal reflection. Well, I remember critical angle or TIR only forms when light travel from denser medium to rarer medium. If the angle of incidence, angle of refraction is 90 degree in the rarer medium, that angle of incidence in the denser medium is called as critical angle. If we take the angle of incidence greater than the critical angle, then TIR forms. Please remember, when angle of incidence in the denser medium greater than the critical angle, then TIR forms. This is the most important point. Okay. Now see, let's take an example. Light travel from water medium to air medium. Here water medium is the denser medium and air medium is the rarer medium. In the first diagram, the incident ray angle is theta 1 and angle of refraction is theta 2. Now see, if we increase the angle of incidence, then angle of refraction also increases. Now, the angle of refraction is 90 degree because the refracted ray moves in the straight path. So this incident angle in the denser medium or water medium is called as critical angle. If we increase the angle of incidence, that means here the angle of incidence in the third diagram, the angle of incidence above the critical angle, then the refracted ray bent. That means this last part obey all the laws of reflection. Clear my point? Total internal reflection obey the laws of reflection. That means angle of incidence equal with angle of reflection. Okay, thank you.